Hey guys, welcome to the Profit Kingdom. We got Devin and I'm Mark.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to go over the 5 most common ways to make passive income online. We're going to make this a quick video for you guys. We love to do the back and forth blog style, but we want to just give you 3 main things to know. So how easy it is to start each one, what kind of time investment does it take, and then also how much money you can make.
And these aren't really rated in like the best to the worst. So the first one up we're going to talk about is blogs.
Yes.
So I guess basically blog is. I mean, most people know what a blog is, but I mean.
Yeah, it's just like it's kind of the opposite of video logging, vlogging,
Yeah.
YouTube.
What we're doing.
So it's just in writing. So you've basically got a website where you go to and you put up your articles and anything that you're knowledgeable in. You don't have to be the expert.
No.
Nope. You just have to be, something that you can either teach or speak about. It has to be some sort of relatable story. As long as you create that, that's basically a blog.
There's a lot of time investment. I'm sorry. So the problem with blogging, it's not really a problem, but it's you gotta create a couple blogs a week, or a month, or you gotta keep creating more and more content. And it depends on how well you are about making the blogs and what you're writing about and everything like that.
Yeah.
It is a lot of time investment. It can be. It's zero money down, but
Well, and if you're like me, you're gonna have mental strain because even like YouTube, it's just thinking of topic ideas and what's next. Most people, and you'll find out if you watch a million blog YouTube videos or whatever, learn about them, that most people get stuck after 5. So they write them and they're like, oh, I got my 5, and well, crap, now what? Well, this didn't work, and then they move on, And the thing is, it takes a long time, not just to write them, but write a lot of them, because it's just how many can you make to get people to read, but also the time that Google, because that's who's looking at them, their crawler as they call it, is going to crawl and read your pages. It takes like 7 months for that.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, so
so I guess bring up time frame here. Like how soon can we make money off blogs? I mean, if you're kind of making them on your own, it's going to probably take a while. But if you go to like something like Upwork or something, you could get paid just to kind of start up going. But it's not going to be passive income.
As long as you can prove you're good at it. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Well, and to make this quick takes a long time. Yeah. It takes a while to make income unless you sell it or you're selling an affiliate product, which we'll talk about later in the video. Because if they read it and click on a thing that they can buy, that's something different. That's a different way.
So the next thing we're going to talk about is like it's kind of like a twofer here: online courses and membership sites.
Sure. Yep. You guys know what it is. It's all over. It's whatever YouTuber's doing.
Yeah.
Online courses. We're going to teach you how to be successful. We're going to teach you how to build an online website. We're going to teach you how to da-da-da-da. Right? So the amount of time it takes to create that is a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot that goes into that, and that's why they charge $100, $300, even $1,000 for these courses.
So how easy is it to start?
Difficult.
Yeah.
It's easy to do, hard to put together. Let's put it that way.
I mean, I guess you're one of those like highly organized people, like a teacher or something, who just likes doing that and creates a program.
Yep.
Maybe it'll be easy for you. I mean, I guess
time investment is large.
Is the front.
Yep.
On either side of things. So I mean, I know we're kind of talking about membership sites too. So membership sites are going to be the exact opposite. It's going to be more of a long term. I mean, you're going to have to set up for the website and everything else, but at the same time, for the long term, you're always going to want to make sure you got something updated every week, every month, or whatever you tell your
you have
subscribers
to always be
that you're
present.
doing. Yeah.
Yep. Or have some sort of team that's present.
Yeah, you got to build that community. Yep. I mean, there's a reason why they're paying a monthly subscription fee, and you got to give them what they came there for. So when do you start making money off these?
It could be instant. It's really give or take. If you have a community already, if you have a presence somewhere, you can make money pretty much instantly.
Yeah.
If you don't, which is what most people do, you don't. Don't let it deter you from doing it. Still create it, and then maybe day one you get a guy. Maybe you don't. Maybe it takes 3 months. But at least as you go, it's going to continually grow.
So what is the biggest factor in how fast you're going to make money? I would honestly say is how big your audience is right now.
Yep.
If you don't have an audience, you don't have anybody right now, it's going to take you a good little while. I mean, because same with the blogs. If you don't have nobody reading them, it's going to take a while. Yep. But if, let's say you already, say you're a YouTuber with, 5,000 subscribers, and you start talking about your online course or your membership site or whatever, you know, it's going to be a lot faster because you're already out there in front of people. I mean, you're not going to sign everyone up, but maybe sign up 10%. You know, that's still a lot more people than, you know.
Absolutely. And that actually ties into the next one, e-commerce. So
Yeah.
that's the third thing is a lot of like YouTubers create courses on e-commerce. You're seeing Shopify this, Shopify that, Etsy this, Etsy that, and
How to
Amazon
do drop
this.
shipping and
Yep, exactly. So just kind of climbing into that category. Is it easy to start? No, not at all.
No.
You need an online course for that.
Yeah, I mean, just getting everything up and running. I mean, I guess the cool thing is about the, like, you know, if you have to do something like Etsy, it's like something you create.
Yes,
Something
that one
you
is
make,
easy.
You know
I'm sorry,
what I mean?
yeah.
Like, something you make and you put it online. The problem is with that, say you get 500 orders. Okay, well, shoot.
You just can't, yeah.
I
Supply
gotta
and
make all
demand.
these. I gotta make all these things, you know, with 500 people. But I mean, it's gonna take you a while to get to that point, and it'll probably be
Yep.
a slow growth. So by that time, it might not be a problem. But I mean, you got to think. I mean,
If you have something unique, because it has to be unique on Etsy,
yeah,
you're selling these special light bulbs that glow red in the morning and blue at night. I don't know, right?
Whatever
I'm just
it is,
making
yeah.
something up. But if it's unique enough, then it grows. People buy it. You still got to get in front of people, so you're
Yeah.
gonna have to market.
yeah, maybe Facebook or whatever. So now we talk about a little bit about drop shipping, which is basically like buying stuff from, you know,
Oh yeah.
real cheap.
If you're watching this video and if you don't know what drop shipping is,
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to help you much. It's all over the web.
Yeah, drop shipping and basically just e-commerce is just basically selling things online. You
Yep.
know, through however means you want. I mean, it's not 100% passive income because a lot of it's, you know, takes time, takes effort, you know, time investment now. You know what I mean? It's always it's gonna be a varying time of investment. Depends on what you're doing.
Yep.
And then once you're gonna make money to start,
It's instantaneous.
it's instant, yeah, I
Because
mean,
you're really paying to grow.
you're just selling stuff.
Yeah, you're
I mean,
selling
literally
stuff.
selling
If
stuff.
you don't have a market, you got to go out and do Facebook ads and all that, and you got to grow as quick as possible.
So affiliate marketing, I mean, you've got to have seen videos on affiliate marketing by now. If you've been
I
looking
love
at how to
affiliate
make
marketing. That's my
I
baby.
mean, that is a lot more passive. Let's say you do like a YouTube video and you go, okay, I'm gonna review this camera. Well, then you put a link in there to maybe go to Amazon, and whoever buys that camera on Amazon, you know, you get a little bit of profit off it. So I mean,
Absolutely. Yeah, if you're doing reviews on something, whether it's doing a book review or you know, the Canon M50, I'm looking at buying that thing, right? I've got the A6000 now, and I'm looking to upgrade. But if I do, I've already watched probably 30 videos on it.
yeah,
And whoever I click the last link on is going to get that commission when I buy it.
Yeah.
Like this, you know, you guys like this little light. It's glowing. I have no idea where I bought it from. It says made in China. but if, you guys might chime in and say, hey, where do I get that light? I'm going to send you an affiliate marketing link to Amazon.
Yeah.
I'm going to make some money.
The last one is YouTube. I mean, YouTube is, you know, it's hard to start because for one, I mean, in my opinion, it's hard to start because you gotta
It
create an
can
audience.
be. Yep. If you don't know what you're doing, it's difficult.
Yeah.
Yep. You've
You
really got to know.
learn how to get out in front of people and everything like the marketing, time investment.
Tons of time. It's easy to do, easy to start. Takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
You got to edit your videos. You got to create them. Don't get me wrong. It's one of my favorite ways because I have an insurance channel that I create, and that pays me $300 to $400 a month just on YouTube ads.
Yeah.
So that's not getting the whole 9 yards.
Stuff, yeah. When do you start making money off YouTube? When your very first beginning channel?
No.
I mean, how long is it going to take to actually earn your first dollar?
Most people, they see a year. Can you do it in 4 months, 3 months? Yes.
I mean, it depends on the topic, the subject, what's going on.
Well, YouTube has restrictions. So when you start a brand new channel, if you're starting from scratch, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have 4,000 watch time hours just to get monetized.
Yeah.
So, but that doesn't even say you are monetized. So once you get that, you got to wait another month because you're in line. You're the next one up, and then when YouTube hits that, then they're like, "Yep" or "No." You know, good content, bad content. We're gonna approve you or not.
Yeah.
So almost everyone's approved, but if you're cutting your finger off in the video every 2 seconds, they're gonna be like, "No, this isn't a good channel."
So those are our 5 most common ways to make passive income online. A couple of them are on the line there.
Yeah, and there's some big ones in there because these are the things you guys see online all day long. These are what all these gurus are showing.
You can make a lot of money off all of these.
Yep.
It's just like I said, some of it's time investment, some of it's just gotta have an audience. But But hey, thanks for kind of joining us here at the Profit Kingdom. Once again, I'm Devin. This is Mark here, and stay tuned for our next video when we're going to talk about the most unique ways of creating a passive income.
We'll put that link in the description below.
All right. See you guys.